Here is PAYACTIV app, so you can go to payactive.com. With Pay, you can access your wages as you earn them before payday, build better financial habits, get exclusive discounts, and more. So this is kind of like a finance app where you can just get your wage faster than your payday, right? Just get your payments every day. Of course, it should be an agreement with your employer, and then let's see if there is an app. So here is an app already, so you can just go and install it. Here, just double click to install it. 50,000 ratings, so seems it's quite the reliable app. You can access your hard-earned wages before the payday, pay bills on time, avoiding late or draft fees, and handle unexpected expenses with our user-friendly digital tools. PayActive provides you with the foundation to maintain financial stability and equips you with the necessary tools to help you reach your financial goals and thrive. So enjoy your paycheck up to 2 days early. Yeah, that's the idea. Again, it should be a contract with your employer. It should be like a perk in your work contract, I guess, that using this app. You can't use this app just by yourself. Again, it should be your employer who has an agreement with them. Also, you can use like PayActive Visa card, and I think it only still works in United States mostly, and then you can just open it up. Then you can just allow it, and then here you can join today. All right, so as you can see, probably it's only available in United States, something like that. You can log in already if you have an account. But anyhow, maybe it's just a bit down. But yeah, that's the app. So ask your employer if you have this kind of benefit. It can be quite handy.